Welcome to CataList. In this video, we'll show you how stores and libraries can set up multiple locations. By completing this setup, you can ensure that the correct locations are assigned to each order that you create on CataList. Begin by logging into CataList at bnccatalyst.ca. You must be an account manager in a retail or library account in order to set up an account location. Once you're logged in, go to the administration section of the settings. Here, you can provide the basic information about your organization, such as your account name, your billing address, your logo, and in the case of retailers, your point of sale system. Under store locations, or if you're in a library account, under branch locations, you can add or edit the locations in your account. Each location will have its own order box on CataList so that when you're browsing titles on the site, you can enter the order quantities for the right store or library branch. To add a new location, click Add and fill in the form. While the shipping address is not required, it is useful to include, especially if your shipping address for the location is different from the billing address that you've provided for the account. When you create an order with a single location, its shipping address is automatically pulled into the order details. Next, you can choose which employees in your account are authorized to place orders for the location. By default, all registered users in your account are authorized to enter order quantities for a location. Account managers, however, can limit who has access to each one. Under authorized buyers, select specific buyers. Then search for the name of the authorized buyer and add them to the list. You can add as many authorized buyers as necessary. When you've added all the buyers, save your changes. Your new location is added to the location table and will be an option for the authorized buyers when they create new orders on CataList. Repeat this process until you've finished adding all of your locations. And that's how you can set up multiple locations and assign buyers to each one. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.